straight out of Cameroon. Hello, what's up? Hello, what's up? Man on the hustle to get to the top.
But I don't want us to deliberate on this so much because there's something I would like us to talk about, and we have already passed our 1 hour mark. But this is something which I feel like it's very important for us to address. So we know the Bonte Digital Media Award is coming up, and he has gotten a Nigerian host, Ebuka, to host the show. And a lot of Cameroonians are not happy about this. I know
What?
some
I thought it was Maria Blanche that was hosting it.
No, Ebuka. There's even a video of Ebuka saying that we should wait for him. He's coming to Cameroon.
They said he'll be coming to Cameroon.
Yeah. So there have been some hosts, some MCs who have come out and be very vocal about it and say like, this is not okay. They are very good MCs here, MCs who are even better. But Ebuka, because he has gotten money and Nigerians are willing to pay him well, he has been able to brand himself, and so they feel like he's better than them, but they are actually good enough to handle the show. Why are you going to get a Nigerian host to come and host Bonte Digital Media Award? What do you guys think?
So personally, I'm so sick and tired of this Cameroon supporting your own out of sleep. Exactly. You can actually see that I like. People feel that the money comes before the work, but no, it's the other way around. The work comes before the money. Saying that because Ebuka has had money, that's why it's of that quality, it just already tells me that you don't even know where you are going at. And what do Cameroonians want? I think like we need the prayers. I don't know what we want, but I feel like we need prayers, right?
Okay.
The same Cameroonians, when we got Tito Valery to host the show, a Big Brother show, which was also trying to build something, they went at him, saying that his shoes were looking up, he did not change his suit, this one smooth banger like that. Those were Cameroonians. And you feel that any normal businessman in his right state of mind is going to take another Cameroonian to do the same thing to sabotage his show again. They should contribute their money, do go fund me, and then hire their own how do they call it? MC for the event. You don't talk on some other person's money.
Yeah, because when like you said, when Tito Valery and this girl, what's her name, Vicky Fonkala, yes, there was a lot of criticism. Cameroonians came at them, tearing them apart and all that. And they felt like they ruined the show, and so if you are somebody who you're hearing that, and these are some of our best MCs we have in Cameroon, and you're hearing that these MCs did not do a good job and Cameroonians are not happy, they ruined the show, why would you trust to put your money and still get a Cameroonian MC to do the job? Yeah, Delibi, you have a lot to say it.
I don't. Honestly, I thought Maria Blanche was hosting it. Because she even posted about it. Even Bonte posted it. I thought it was Maria Blanche.
But maybe because some of these shows you have a male and a female host.
Yes, so Mariel is the female host.
Yes, but Ebuka, he
I don't even know,
coming.
And I thought it was a smart
move to use known to host shows, though?
What?
Mirelle Blanche, I've never seen her host a show.
Yeah, but she has the fan base and she has the community that will pull the eyeballs to that show. That's why I say it's smart. I thought it was smart to pick her and even Ebuka, and that's just confirmed one thing to me. Bonte has decided to spend money this year. Yeah.
But my question is, if Mirelle Blanche is not eloquent enough but looks good enough, are we selling Cameroon short or are we representing 237 in the best way? I've watched a couple of her interviews. She does not look like she does not look like the most eloquent
she
person.
Has to go and be on the same level with Ebuka as an MC.
Understand this.
And so
Maria Blanche represents I get why Cameroonians are talking the way they are talking, because I believe Ebuka will represent the English part of the show and Maria Blanche will represent the French side of the show. And this one thing we cannot for sure that Maria Blanche is not how do I put it? She's
not eloquent. She's not Ebuka. She can be the bouquet girl, the girl to carry the flower to welcome.
No. That's your personal perception of her. There is nothing that can tell me Maria Blanche is not suitable enough to do that. To me, that was the perfect pick. And
I asked a question: is she eloquent enough in French?
Perfect. To me, it's perfect.
Okay.
To me, Muriel Blanche was the best. There was no girl more suited for that, and she's too expensive.
Which show has she hosted before?
No, you don't go about which show have you hosted before. You're almost asking me like when you go for a job, they tell you they need 3 years working experience when you just graduated, but you actually have the experience to do the job. But
there are certain sensitive jobs which will not give somebody who does not have years of experience. So saying that it's now almost like Cameroon versus Nigeria. Nigeria will be looking at Cameroon because Ibuka is coming to Cameroon, and the best foot we have to put forward is an apprentice animatrice.
Okay, so what I'm saying is Muriel Blanche
in Cameroon,
yeah, Muriel Blanche is perfect for this, like for this thing, and her personality. I think you need to watch her more. You need to study her more. Then you understand that. Okay,
I've watched her interviews, man. I've watched her interviews.
No, you've watched her interviews. Have you seen her work? Interviews are different from work. Have you seen Kendrick Lamar interviews? Have you seen J. Cole's interviews?
I've watched her interviews. I watched her on Panye when she was acting. I watched her when she's doing her charity things, when she was launching her boutique.
Even
I
movies.
feel like she's a very social person, but not a very, like when you're doing animation, you should know how to carry the crowd or mesmerize the crowd in your choice of diction.
Okay, so do you
That's
think
what impresses me when somebody is doing that.
Do you think Cardi B is eloquent enough?
Cardi B is not.
Exactly.
When I first watched Cardi B, when I first watched her on Breakfast Club, I felt like she was borderline, a little bit. Yeah.
Exactly, but she pulls. But do you see the numbers?
Exactly, Missy agrees with me. I don't be worried. Go ahead, baby. I'm listening.
No, not that I agree with you. It's just that it's her. I don't. Okay, but what I'm saying is that was your point of view. She wasn't. You don't feel like she wasn't, but have you seen some of the panels or the shows she has co-hosted? Have you seen the numbers and the result of those shows? The output is the personality. It's translating what you do in other aspects and bringing that on stage. I'm not talking about her music, like just her talking, hosting shows. It works. It's her personality. Like it's almost the same thing with Muriel Blanche. She's perfect for that.
But putting her against Ibuka,
she's perfect. Don't say putting her against Ibuka.
But what I think is right. Definitely, Muriel Blanche, she has this following, and so if she tells her people that I'm going to be hosting the show, it's good for the show. So I think when he was choosing the MCs, I think he had that in mind. That's why he made the choice for Ibuka instead of a Cameroonian MC who does not have as much of a following. But now I think we are drifting away from the main thing which people are debating about. Is not the Muriel Blanche. The fact that a Nigerian was chosen instead of a Cameroonian to represent the Cameroonian side, to represent the English-speaking side.
Yeah.
So for me, my thought process is like, okay, I get why you as a show host, you will be, an owner of a show, you want to pull the audience, you want to pull the eyes, so you're going for somebody who has a lot of following. But now I'm thinking, Ebuka's following is more of Nigeria. Is he sure his fan base, Ebuka's fan base will be interested enough to watch a show where the awards will be given mostly to Cameroonians?
Ebuka's following is also Cameroonian. Come and see how Moliko girls are shouting when Ibuka is on the TV. How they're talking about his dressing. I've not seen them talk about any celebrities put together. They only talk about Mr. Leo's Timberland boots and how do they call the shoe looking upwards. They will not praise them like how they praise Ibuka. So you'll be very shocked that Cameroonians will follow Ibuka better than any of our own hosts.
Exactly. So now that
people are just trying to be relevant now.
So we now come to the same thing. This award show, we shouldn't forget that Bonte, this award show, he's still building up the credibility of the award show. So getting more people interested and watching it is the main priority, not, you understand? So, getting Ebuka, he realized that most Cameroonians, based on that inferiority complex that they have, that they favor foreigners above this, using that guy will pull in more female Anglophone girls. Since Anglophone Cameroonians like to cater when they want to listen to something English, they go for Nigeria or Ghana. So, bringing that guy here will bring more of these girls who simp for the guy to watch the show. And Monreal Blanche has more simps in France, Gabon, Belgium, and French Africa. So if they bring her there, it brings more of those simps to this other side. So I believe business wife Bonte did a great job.
It's a good move.
Because as host, because as host, those two are, to be honest, I can just vouch for Monreal Blanche because I don't know him, because I haven't watched any one thing he has done. It can be surprising, but I don't know who that guy is.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, he has been the host of Big Brother for some years.
He was in Big Brother.
Yeah,
he's hosting a couple of talk shows.
That's the funny thing, because I don't watch Big Brother, so I don't know him. I've never watched Big Brother Nigeria. So that maybe that's.
I'm not mad about that. I'm not mad about that.
I've never watched it. Even this one, I'll just turn in to see what Patience is trying to do to Fish. That's one of the reasons I decided to.
Yeah, so we have Njike saying he's bigger than what people say. Okay, quoting Jovi himself. You are bigger than what people say. Then he says she is going to prepare for it. Okay, I think that backing Monreal Blanche. So
like I said,
honestly,
as host,
there are times when people are given certain opportunities and it's their first time and they do an awesome job in those opportunities because they want to prove a point and they want to not miss that opportunity, because if she does a good job here? If she does a good job here, then she is probably going to get more opportunities in the same light. We pray it goes well. Awesome. Because one thing I'm just thinking about is Monreal Blanche has this people true in Paris, true in France and all that, but she also has a huge Francophone following, and we would agree that the award show in question does not really have that much attention from the Francophone audience. So he's probably trying to get the attention from the Ebuka followers, who are a mixture of Niger and Moliko girls, and also the Francophone following. So I think it's a logical business move. I think so.
Because to me, as a host, Monreal is perfect for that job. Bonte just did the right decision this year. As for the Ebuka, I don't know him, so I still need to watch some of the things he's done.
No, he's good. He's good.
Yeah, I don't know him,
good.
So I'm just talking based on what I know. Monreal Blanche will nail it, and Bonte did a great job using her, because that will help to increase the numbers and the awareness of the show.
Method G on the straight out of Cameroon. Hello, what's up? Hello, what's up? Man on the hustle to get to the top. Let it, you know we're not ready to stop. Monday for club, hundreds of bottles, I'm ready to pop. Come it and got them, I'm ready to. I don't give a word if I'm in the talk. If you know.